Hello guys, what's up? This is Cynthia from Focusun Réfrigération. Focusun is a professional manufacturer of ice machine and cold storage. Today I'm in Focusun Jiangsu factory, and you can see here are completed orders of small cube ice machine. Let's switch the camera to take a closer look. There are total 28 sets ice machine orders for our old customer. The machine uses stainless steel 304 material as evaporator. This is the evaporator for ice making, and have an additional ice storage to keep ice. It also have an ice scoop inside for customer get ice from the ice storage. Besides, each machine shipped with an exhaust box. Let's take a look at what's included. There are the parts inside the box: water pipe, foot pads, and a sample water filter. The water filter is connected to the city water for improved water quality for ice making. Focusun always do machine testing in factory and show project set. You can follow our official account to get the latest updates. That's all. Have a nice day. Bye.